Vice Chairman Ellis, what is your plan to take Chatham County economy to the next level?
Economic recovery is going to be our greatest challenge after this COVID-19. People need jobs, they need work, they need to support their family. I have a two-part plan of action for our recovery. We need to diversify our business sector, creating higher paying jobs in the biomedical, the technology, the pharmaceutical, and the film industry. Moving Chatham County to a AAA bond rating, creating more opportunities for minority and women-owned business. Small minority women and owned businesses need increased access to capital and funding. I plan on reviewing our current MBE and DBE program in the following areas. One, in construction, promoting reviews of small bid packages on construction contracts to ensure participation of MBEs and WBEs at every level. Increasing participation of our MBEs and our WBEs in professional goods and services category, encouraging uniform standards with the county, the city, the school board to erase the burdens of multi requirements is what my
beneficial for everyone. In addition, I work at the YMCA of Coastal Georgia here, and what we've been doing is providing health care for essential workers and frontline responders for free, and giving lunches from 11 to 1 every day curbside to anyone who needs them, and then also providing online fitness classes for free. So people don't realize what the YMCA of Coastal Georgia shares with this community. So you see which people are stepping up. And, people say, why should I keep my Y membership? I'm like, because it's not just about you, it's about us as a community.
My plan of action is to make sure that our first responders are equipped before the crisis hit, rather than after the crisis. I was in the mode the other day when I thought about it. I said, there was a tornado that hit to our left, and then it jumped over and hit to our right. It hit down in Odom, and then it hit over in Nicksville over in South Carolina. Well, we in between those two places, all right? What would we have to do to prepare ourselves for that, and for equipping our not only our senior citizens, but the total Chatham County, so that we'll be ready for these kinds of disasters that come our way.
Your business has to solve a problem, especially right now. So right now, food solves a problem. So the restaurants, or those who are doing the Uber Eats or the takeouts and different things like that, it's solving a problem. People are looking for jobs. So if you specialize in resume building or resume writing or public speaking, that solves a problem. I often tell people, it's not that individuals don't want to support your business. It's that your business does not solve a problem for them. So if I don't have the desire to wear.
Thanks, Nancy, for the question. Two of the big issues that are pressing along the coast here is the push for the expansion of offshore drilling. We've been facing this push for quite some time from the oil industry and certain administrations. And it has not slowed down. In fact, what we found during this time of pandemic is most NGOs and nonprofits working to protect the natural environment, we took some time to give people space, respect, understanding, and trying to learn how to adapt to what I hope to be a very temporary change of events, right? But the oil industry didn't stop. They continued lobbying and pressing forward on offshore drilling plans throughout the entire United States. And so offshore drilling would be a huge problem for the coast of Georgia, because we are a waterfront community. We are people that derive very much from